and today the story is King Solomon, the wisest person in the world. And I'm one of the women in the story.
And I'm King Solomon, but my real name is Lenpy.
My name is Peyton, and I will be one of the other women in the story.
King Solomon, this woman had a baby, and her baby is dead. My baby was living, and she took my baby and put her dead baby by me.
No, King Solomon, this is my baby. She's lying.
Stop! God, give me wisdom. Now cut the baby in half and give it to one another.
No, please don't do it. I do not want to see my baby die in front of my eyes. Let her have it.
No, kill the baby so none of us can have her.
Now I know the truth one. Now give it to her. Now put you in jail.
So, what is the lesson for today's story? Let's ask Rhythm.
So, the lesson for our story is Solomon asked God for wisdom. He was very smart. And also another lesson of the story is you have to not lie. If the other woman lied and she got in big trouble. She went in jail. And so, you have to obey God. So, number 1, if you want to be smart like King Solomon, you have to ask God. Number 2, please don't lie or you'll be in big consequences. That's all for today, boys and girls. Bye!